Space, the final frontier. For centuries we've looked up at the night sky, wondering what lies beyond our tiny blue planet. We've dreamed of exploring distant stars, and more recently we've set our sights on colonizing other worlds. But how realistic is this dream, and what would it actually take to make another planet our home? Humans have always been explorers, from crossing oceans to scaling the highest mountains. Colonizing other planets is the next giant leap for humankind. But unlike our previous journeys, space poses challenges that are far beyond anything we've ever faced before. From the deadly vacuum of space to the lack of life-sustaining resources, the road to becoming a multi-planetary species is fraught with obstacles. The most likely candidate for colonization? Mars, often called Earth's sister planet, Mars has been the focus of intense study for decades. Its surface is rocky and barren, with temperatures that can plummet to -125 degrees Celsius at night. But it also has a day similar in length to Earth's, and polar ice caps that could, potentially, provide water. Scientists are fascinated by the possibility of terraforming Mars, essentially transforming its atmosphere to support human life. Terraforming is a monumental task. It involves thickening Mars's atmosphere to retain heat and creating a magnetic field to protect future colonists from deadly solar radiation. Some scientists propose releasing greenhouse gases to warm the planet, while others suggest using massive mirrors to reflect sunlight onto its surface. These ideas sound like science fiction, but they're grounded in real scientific theories. However, even with the best technology, terraforming could take centuries, if not millennia. But what if we don't have time to wait? One alternative is to build domed cities on Mars where humans can live in controlled environments similar to the International Space Station. These habitats would need to be self-sustaining, with systems for producing food, water and oxygen. The technology to achieve this is already being developed on Earth, with experiments in closed ecosystems providing valuable insights. Yet the cost and logistics of transporting enough materials to build these cities on Mars are staggering. And then there's the journey itself. Mars is millions of miles away, with current technology making a one-way trip about 7 months long. This brings us to the question of how to keep humans safe and healthy during such a long voyage. Radiation, muscle atrophy, and psychological effects of isolation are just a few of the dangers astronauts would face. Solutions range from advanced shielding to artificial gravity, but these remain experimental and untested on long-term missions. Looking back, the Apollo moon landings of the 1960s were a testament to what humanity can achieve with determination and innovation. But space exploration has always been a balance of risk and reward. Colonizing Mars or any other planet will be the most complex challenge we've ever undertaken. Yet, history has shown that when we push the boundaries of what's possible, we often discover the extraordinary. But what if Mars isn't the only option? The moons of Jupiter and Saturn, such as Europa and Titan, offer tantalizing possibilities. Europa, with its subsurface ocean, might even harbor life. Colonizing these distant worlds would require even more advanced technology and understanding of space travel. But they present a broader vision of humanity's future in the cosmos. The philosophical implications of colonizing other planets are just as profound. Are we destined to spread across the stars, or should we focus on preserving our own planet first? As we stand on the brink of this new era of exploration, these questions are more relevant than ever. While the dream of living on another planet is captivating, it's crucial to remember that Earth is still our only home. Our efforts to colonize other worlds should go hand in hand with taking care of this one. After all, if we can't sustain life on Earth, what hope do we have of doing so on Mars or beyond? So, can we realistically colonize other planets? The answer is maybe. The challenges are immense, but so is human ingenuity. Whether we succeed will depend on our willingness to invest in science, technology, and international cooperation. And as we continue to explore the stars, we must also stay grounded in the responsibility we have to our own world. Until next time. Stay curious.